So this stitch is called the drunk stitch. In Spanish is borrachito. Anyway, because you see it goes, it doesn't walk straight. Anyway, so this is a lot of fun to make. And it is a multiple of 3 plus 1. And I'm using one size larger needles than what the yarn calls for. So usually with a worsted weight, they say from 7 to a 9. And I'm using a 9, which is a 5.5 millimeter. So I made this stitch in a blouse. See how pretty that is? So it looks very, very nice when you make it with larger needles and thin yarn. So it looks lacy. And then I am also making a pillow with the knit crate yarn. See? So, but I'll show you that in another occasion. So let's do this. You cast on your stitches, and so of course it's a multiple of 3 plus 1. And what I have here is 31 stitches, and the first row is you purl 1 and then yarn over. So you're going to leave your yarn in the front in order to make your yarn over, and then knit it together. Purl 1. So the repetition is yarn over, knit 2 stitches together, and purl 1. Again, you yarn over, knit 2 stitches together, and purl 1. So the yarn over is made by keeping your yarn in the front, then knit 2 stitches together and purl 1. So let's do the whole row. Leave your yarn in the front, knit 2 stitches together and purl 1. Yarn over, knit 2 together, purl 1. Yarn over, knit together, purl 1. Yarn over, knit together, and purl 1. Yarn over, knit together, purl 1. Yarn over, knit together, and purl 1. Rows number 2 and 4 are the same. You are going to knit 1, and then here the repetition is purl 2 and knit 1. Again, purl 2 and knit 1. And you do that the whole row. Purl 2 and knit 1. Row number 3, you're going to purl 1 and then knit 2 stitches together and yarn over. And of course, since the next one is a purl, we have to bring the yarn to the front and then do the yarn over this way. So purl 1. So again, knit 2 stitches together, bring your yarn to the front again in order to make a yarn over, and purl 1. Knit 2 stitches together, yarn over, and purl 1. Knit 2 stitches together, yarn over, and purl 1. Knit 2 stitches together, yarn over and purl 1. Knit 2 stitches together, yarn over and purl 1. Knit 2 stitches together, yarn over, purl 1. Knit 2 stitches together, yarn over, purl 1. Knit 2 stitches together, yarn over, purl 1, and knit 2 stitches together, yarn over and purl 1. And then row number 4 is the same. Row number 4, the same as row number 2. So knit 1 and purl 2. Knit 1. So again, purl 2 and knit 1, and you do that the whole row. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching, and share us with your friends. And like our page, subscribe. And see how pretty that looks? Of course, it depends on what yarn you use for each thing and what size needles. But it's very handsome.